I find that many of us consciously choose to neglect finding out more about our history or our story. Some think it's just a waste of time. I've heard people often say, I'm not going to live in the past. The elites of other races overstand the past and teach it to their offspring to maintain their focus, power, and agenda. Like a slingshot, the further back we go, the further forward we can project ourselves into the future. Your power was able to be diffused, something like how they diffuse a bomb. You were once powerful. The method they used is called cultural diffusion. Once the Greco-Romans culturally diffused you, they stole your spiritual dogma and gave you a white savior. They stole your They basically stole your identity. Herodotus was one of the first Greek authors, and in his writing he states, we were working to create a history for a non-existing people. So they used your identity to write themselves into history. They took your scriptures, and yes, we had scriptures. It was called the Chewbacca stone. It is referred to as the Memphite theology, which was transferred from a papyrus 10,500 years old. 10,500 years. Chewbacca was a pharaoh, or better yet, an Nefertiti. And he took this papyrus that has been worm-eaten and brought it before his scribes, saying to them, we've had this papyrus for 10,500 years. Let's preserve it in stone. For one day, our future generations will need to know this knowledge. So they put together this Chewbacca stone, 5 foot tall, 3.5 by 3.5 foot wide. This African stone explains the 7 days of creation. Atonism is the oldest theology. It is not something we decided to make up. It is the only theology that can be proven.